So there is a precaution for the Galaxy S23 series. The green line issue for the Samsung Galaxy S23 series is on peak nowadays, and here are some of the tips and tricks that you guys should try out to take the precautions. Thanks to Turn Watts for raising the voice for the Galaxy S23 users. In his latest tweet, he mentioned that the Galaxy S23 users are facing the green line issues recently. After the recent security patch update or the updates over the past few months, this green line is coming up for the Galaxy S23 users. One of the main reasons that this green line could appear is when you apply the pressure on these borders. It can be because of the software update as well. So if you are a Galaxy S23 users, I would recommend that do not update your device until the green line issue is solved. Or while updating your device, make sure to keep it in a cold environment while it is downloading and installing. For now, this issue is only on the Galaxy S23 users, but nobody knows in the future it could come on the Galaxy S24 as well. But the chances are less according to my prediction, as the Galaxy S22 and S23 both were having a curved screen display, and this green line issue mostly comes on the curved displays. For the screen replacement, the eligibility criteria is there should be no physical damage and the age limit should be under 3 years. Also, you will have to carry the proof of the purchase as well. Someone in the comments of the Turn Watts tweet also asked that what if someone wants to update this phone on the latest One UI 9 update. So in that case, Turn Watts suggested that he could install it via Odin. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you are a Galaxy S23 user, so I would suggest that do not update your device until this issue is resolved completely. For the precautions, I would suggest that make sure to use your phone with a case, and while updating, make sure to keep it in a low temperature. So drop your thoughts about this issue in the comment section below. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.